Hey enamel friends, it's me, Sandra McEwen, and I wanted to take this opportunity to invite you to participate in the 2023 Enamel Art Jam. What is the Enamel Art Jam, you ask? Well, great question. Let me tell you. The Enamel Art Jam is an online exhibition that is open to any enamel artist in the world who wants to participate, whether or not you are just beginning your enamel journey or been doing enamel for 50 years. All are welcome to participate. Here's how you participate in the Enamel Art Jam. First, you go to this website right here. You read all the information and you sign up on the sign up form. And then on March 1st, there will be a list that will get posted on the website that will have your name as a contender for the Enamel Art Jam. And you will be assigned a random theme to base your work of art on. Every artist who participates will get a unique theme. It will consist of 2 words, and you are welcome to interpret your theme as much as you want. You can really take it literally, figuratively. If you hate your theme, it doesn't matter. It's all good. The only rule is you make a piece of art. It can be any kind of art. It just needs to feature vitreous hot glass enamel. And other than that, there's really no other rules except you need to finish your piece by June 15th, 2023 and get a good photo of it, and we'll have a really great online exhibition of everybody that has completed the challenge. The Enamel Art Jam is not a traditional competition in the sense that there's going to be a first place winner and a second place winner or any kind of monetary awards. Everybody who participates and finishes, submits a piece at the end, honestly is a winner. This is a self-challenge. This is something that I want you to embrace the theme that you're given and choose a project that will challenge your abilities as an artist and enamelist. So this is really internally driven. It's not comparing yourself to other artists out there. It's about showcasing what you can do in the enameling world. I hope you'll consider participating in this Enamel Art Jam 2023. It's going to be a great year, and the more people we get to sign up, the better. I'd love to see what we all can do when we focus our artistic energy into the universe. So please go to EnamelARTJAM.com, sign up, and I really look forward to seeing what y'all can do. Thanks, everybody.